Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So today I'm popping in with my make for the One Sketch Challenge hosted by Lisa at Crafting Diva. I will leave a link to Lisa's channel in my description box below, along with all of the other ladies who are taking part. And yeah, this is my sketch for December. I'm just going to bring in the sketch that Lisa sent, and this is it. I'm just looking, my colours are not unlike the colours Lisa's got on the sketch. So yeah, that's the sketch, and this is my card. I think I did say that. It's obviously my card. Anyway, so what I've done is I started with a piece of green paper and I've popped that down onto my base card. Then I've popped a piece of the lilac paper, cut it out into the banner style and popped that on top of the green. Then I've cut a heart out and I use this lovely lilac glitter paper, and this is the kind of glitter I like, where it doesn't shed. Absolutely fabulous. And then I've got this cute little angel which I've cut out of a little Christmas book that I have, and I've stuck her down onto the heart. And also from the Christmas book was this word Christmas. So I just kind of fussy cut around it and stuck that down at the bottom of the card. And yeah, that's my take on the sketch for the month of December. That's it for today. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye for now.